everybody. So first off, I believe I've had the pleasure of working with all of you in a previous class. And so I'm really, really excited to be able to have the opportunity to see you again and to help you here in your very end of your journey in the AET program. Just as a reminder, you are welcome to call me by the name that works for you, Dr. Kaiser Leanne, Dr. Leanne Professor. I really am okay with whatever works for you. Even though we've had worked together before, just a few reminders about myself. First off, I have been part of the AET program since 2008, so goodness, it's been a while now. I absolutely love my colleagues and the folks I work with in the program, as you can tell by the fact that we love to do things together and to hang out. And I really, really am just absolutely honored to be a part of this program and to work with such an amazing group of people. I have two kids, my daughter Anna and my son Sam, and then my husband Steve. Steve is a physical therapist and a firefighter and an EMT, so he keeps plenty busy. He's wonderful at all of those things. And as a family, we absolutely love to do things outside, as you can tell from these photos. We keep plenty busy with kid activities as well. Running and soccer and Nordic skiing and orchestra and whatever. With kids, they certainly keep us busy. We have our fur kids as well. The little black cat, that is Grace. Don't let her fool you. She looks very sweet in there, but she is one feisty little kitty. She got sprayed by a skunk the other day. Our sweet kitty Jack is in the suitcase. And then we also have two guinea pigs, Cosmo and Jurgen. So I live not in Fort Collins, but I live in Laramie, Wyoming, which is about an hour north, and it often looks like this in Laramie. We live at 7,000 feet, so it's wintry here a lot. But luckily, we also like to do things like this, so we embrace having a wintry world that we live in. In addition to doing things with my family outside, I love gardening, vegetable gardening, flower gardening, being able to sit outside with a cup of tea and enjoy that. I like reading as well, and clearly my cat Jack likes reading as well. A little bit about this class. So, of course, this is the capstone course for the AET program. And the big thing we'll be working on is finalizing your portfolio. You'll also be doing a couple of additional assignments, such as a presentation of your journey through the AET program, as well as a professional development plan. So really our intention with this class is to help you really tie your entire degree together and have kind of a capstone experience as well as a capstone project. So with that, I greatly look forward to working with you. This is one of my favorite opportunities to be able to walk with folks and help folks through the finish line of this degree. And please know I am here at any time. You'll obviously be seeing me very present in class, but whatever else you need from me to support you, to be able to achieve your degree and reach the end here, I am available.